Welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a new pair of shoes. This one from CNES. Now, CNES is made in Vietnam. The shipments all come out of Singapore. So this is sold in Singapore dollars. They have a really nice look to them. They're Goodyear welted, but they call it Bologna Flex Goodyear welted, which is always a question because a lot of places use that meaning differently. So it's a there's definitely some flex there in the interpretation, but the shoes themselves look really nice. Now when you open the box, they're wrapped, they're in bags, which I like it when they're in bags. Makes you think that the shoemaker actually cares enough to put them in the bags. And then you look at this here, this is a pretty sharp looking color brown. They've got a nice, it says Bolognese, so that's not even Bologna, it's Bolognese Goodyear construction, whatever that means. But as I look at it, there's a nice Goodyear welting here. They did toe plates. They're not, I'm gonna say they're not perfect, but they're actually pretty good. They're never perfect, right? Just a couple of nails in the heel, a fiddleback, and of course the CNES stamp on the sole. This, of course, is one of the most important, this hand stitching on the apron. And that is, I mean, there's a little bit of tension here, but overall it's really good. They've got the skin stitching on the toe with the reverse. And again, very, very well done. Shoe trees are light. They're lasted trees, but not, I don't think it's to the specific last of the shoe. But the shoes themselves are also very light with thick soles and overall, nice leather, nice lining, feels like a good veg tan lining, and you've got a little bit of a light dark brown patina on here as well, which has a good look in the different lighting. So pretty excited about them. They are spring trees. I'm starting to try to do things with hinge trees instead, but that is usually a bit pricier. And as I look to them, these are not going to be with my hand welted Asian shoes, but they are pretty good for my Goodyear welted shoes from the region, and pretty happy with the way that they came out. So this is CNES, and if you think about my other videos, my other pair of CNES is on the very beginning phase, or early phase, or inexpensive, or basic, or entry-level phase within CNES. This is not. You can see that there's a little bit of they have a asymmetry to them. They have really solid soles. The other ones are Blake stitch. These are obviously Goodyear. The lining is definitely higher grade. The leather is higher grade. The sole is higher grade than the other pair. So pretty excited about wearing them and seeing what they're all about. There is a seam here, so these are not, clicked for seamless. But that's not surprising, given the price point either. These were 395 Singapore dollars. It was an additional $70 for shipping to the States and an additional $60, again, Singapore dollars, for the plates. So not a bad deal. Really looking forward to wearing them. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll spend a little bit more time with these, and include an update video on the unboxings as I go, like I did last time. Thank you.